Hi, I'm Robin Baugh, and today in biology class we are dissecting a perch. I've been teaching science at this co-op at Logos for 6 to 7 years.
I'm Jess, and this year we're teaching Zoology 3, or land animals. All the moms take turns teaching science. We've tried other curriculums in the past, like just here and there, but we always come back to Apologia just because the textbooks are written in a conversational way. One of my favorite things is the creation confirmation sections, where it gives evidence to support the account of creation in Genesis, and that's prompted some really good conversations with my students.
There's the creation connection for Apologia because a lot of times science textbooks are written from the perspective of someone who does not believe in God. And Apologia does a really good job of making sure that the students don't just know about him and about his creation, but it highlights it. So I like that it highlights the creation aspect. The hands-on experiments that Apologia offers throughout the textbook provide a perfect learning experience because I can teach concepts from the book, but a lot of times they don't understand them unless they actually put their hands on them.
My 12-year-old just told me a few weeks ago that his favorite part of his class this year was the hands-on activities.
Ooh, you got a nice juicy one, look at that.
The kind of activities that make me learn would be hands-on activities.
And I agree that science experiments are way more fun with a group of friends than just doing it by yourself.
My favorite part of being in this co-op is that I get to see my friends every week, and I get to do a lot of fun, messy science experiments.
At co-op, we are diving in deep and really fast. We're talking about a lot of concepts and we're doing it in rapid fire. So sometimes it can be a little bit like drinking out of a fire hose, but I try to give the students an opportunity to hear me introduce every concept that we're going to be focusing on in class. I'm about introduction, and that time at home is about mastery.
The most apparent benefit of them getting to learn together in a co-op is that they get to build friendships.
I think is different about being in a co-op versus being at home is that you can be with your friends.
I think my favorite part about being in co-op is getting to have a bunch of different teachers and being with friends.
A lot of times we thrive in competition, so I love when the kids get together because there's always a little healthy competition, and it's not too much competition. It's just enough to push them a little bit further than maybe they would go when they're all by themselves. Over the years, I have utilized several curriculums, and some of which I have enjoyed, but none of the curriculums that I've used have done such a good job of bringing the concepts to life and creating an immersive experience.